Everything is better with smart home security from Protect America. Our line of best-in-class security products is here to keep an eye on your home and immediately alert you when suspicious activity is detected. When it's time to leave, use Protect America's app to secure your home. This automatically arms your panel, locks your doors, and adjusts your smart bulbs and thermostat to an energy-efficient setting. The keychain control lets your kids safely enter your home with ease. Our wireless security cameras and 24/7 live monitoring let you check up on how they're doing from your phone. Keep track of who's on your front porch with a doorbell camera. Integrate the camera to your panel for a closer view of everything happening at your front door. Tell Alexa to set the scene to create movie magic in your living room. This arms your home so you can rest easy knowing your home is safe and secure. Ready to get protected? Call or click the link below to learn more.